Dr. Nettles is going to show us how to listen to lung sounds on the anterior aspect of the chest.
So to listen to lung sounds on the anterior aspect of the chest, we start above the clavicles. So you're kind of going into this little space that's right there. We'll go 1, 2, move down, 3, 4, down about 2 more, 5, 6, down 2 more, 7, and 8. What we'll do is we'll put on our stethoscope, use the diaphragm, listen for a full respiratory cycle, full inspiration, full expiration. So, about 2, down a little further, and down.
Now, Dr. Nettles, will you show them where the diaphragm is in relationship to the xiphoid process so they can understand what we're listening to?
So the xiphoid process we know is this little piece that's right here at the end of the sternum. The diaphragm literally sits right kind of in this area. So when we listen, we're listening round about where the diaphragm wraps.
Yep.
So in here and around.
Thank you, Dr. Nettles.